Stop struggling with broken gadgets. Fix them like a pro with Smadov Tech 250. I'll show you how. Welcome to Smadov Tech 250, your ultimate destination for all things electronics. Whether it's your TV, radio, or any other gadget giving you trouble, we've got you covered. Not only do we help you fix your gadgets, but we also support you in creating your own lighting designs and offer tons of electricity tips. We're all about empowering you to take control of your tech. So if you're looking to save money and learn how to fix your electronics yourself, hit that subscribe button. Join our community and never miss out on our latest videos. Need help or want to reach out? Contact us at +250 780 643 Remember, with Smadov Tech 250, you'll be fixing and creating in no time. Subscribe now and let's get techie.
Welcome back to my new video. My new technician, one of my technician brought this phone to me and I asked him some question. What is the problem of the phone? He told me that there's a password in the phone, that so many technicians have tried to flash the phone, they could not because the charging port is not connecting. When the connect cable is not reading, it's not connecting anything to the system. Secondly, hit it, so I will need to put it back. So when this happens, please don't panic, don't think, just make sure you use your rework station and carefully shift it to where it was before and you're good to go. So let me do that now. My dear technician, please, if you have any question concerning this, you are free, you can let me know. Check this out, I'm done. My dear technician, the next thing is to get the CPU removed. Have in mind that the CPU is the brain of the phone, is the central processing unit of the phone. Most technicians find it difficult to remove the CPU. Today, I'm going to show you how to remove it very simple. So if you don't know how to get this removed, you can learn it from me or you can learn it from anybody that knows how to do this. Because if you remove this and without knowing how to put it back, the phone will never work. The phone will never work. Okay, so don't try this if you're not a professional. If you have not done this before, don't try this. Okay, check this out. Just get the CPU removed very clean without any damage. Okay, check this out. It's very clean, no burn, no damage. The temperature I use is low. I'm not using very high temperature. So if you want to learn temperature, I say the temperature that you need to use to get it removed, guys, you can learn it in my training group or my physical class. If you want to come to my physical class and learn it, you can come, or online class, okay? Anyone. My dear technician, so this is another panel now. I want to get the CPU from this panel and swap. I think you understand my point. I mean change, okay? I'll get the CPU from this one and put it in the other panel. You get my point now? So let me take my time to do this. No time wasted, okay? First thing is for me to apply heat. Check this out. But before you apply heat, make sure you apply paste before you now apply heat. Check this out. The same process that I did in the other one is the same process that I will do here. You can see I first of all carry up the heatsink before I put in my tweezers, and I'm good to go. No time wasted. Check this out. Very clean. Check this out. Very, very clean. If you have any question concerning this, you can let me know, okay? Let me know in the comment section, my dear technician. You know I love you all. Let me know, please. Check this out. This is what I'm looking for. I'm looking for the CPU. The next thing is for me to lower the temperature, because it's not the same temperature I used to remove the shell, the heatsink. So the one I used to remove this heatsink now is a very low temperature. It's not the same that I used before. Check this out. I take my time to do it, and I take my time to apply the heat. If you don't know this, at the end you get the CPU damage, okay? Check this out. Very clean and neat. Check this out. No damage, my dear technician, no damage. Check this out. Very, very clean, my dear technician. Very clean and neat. I love this. No time wasted, my dear technician. The next thing is for me to use my desolder wire and clean this. I need to clean the leftover lead, so make sure you take your time to do this. Do not rush. Take your time to do this. Get a desolder wick and clean this. Check this out. Take your time to do this. Do not rush. Take your time to do this. Make sure you clean it very well. Check this out. Turn it and then clean it. No time to waste, my dear technician. No time to waste. Very, very neat. Very clean, okay? The next thing is for me to do the same to the IC before I start reboiling. Check this out. My dear technician, I know for sure a lot of technicians find it very difficult to do this. My dear technician, is simple, okay? It's simple. Before I finally know how to reboil IC, I spoil like, I think it's up to either 9 or 10 IC. Seriously. Working one before I finally know how to do this. My dear technician, it's not something that I woke up one day and I know how to do this. Put all your focus in this, because this is what you want to do. So put all your focus, mindset, everything, so that you'll be able to do it successfully. My dear technician, let's continue. If you have any question concerning this, you're free, okay? You're free, let me know, okay? You're free. If you have any question concerning this, you're free, let me know. If you have any question at all, you're free, my dear technician. Okay, let's proceed. Check this out. Very clean, my dear technician. I love this. So the next thing is for me to reboil the IC. To reboil the IC is the simplest thing any technician can do. My dear technician, make sure you set it very well, okay? Check this out. I take my time to set it very well. Check this out. If you have any question concerning this, you're free, okay? Check this out. The next thing is for you to put paste. This is soda paste, so make sure you put soda paste. Check this out. I know a lot of technicians find it very difficult to do this. Sometimes after doing this, all of the balls get short, okay? But don't worry, I will show you, okay? Don't worry, don't panic. I will show you how to get this done. Very simple, without time wasted. Check this out. The next thing is for you to clean it, so let me clean my own. Check this out. I'm cleaning my own. Check this out. I will be done. I will be done. I will be done. Check this out. I will be done. I will be done. I will be done. You can see. I start blowing. I start blowing. Check the technique I use. Check the technique I use. You can see very lovely, very lovely, very lovely, very lovely, very lovely. Wow, my dear technician, I'm done. Check this out. I'm done. I'm done. My dear technician, if you have any question you want to ask me, you are free. The next thing is for me to add another paste. I know some people don't used to do this, but for me, I like doing this, okay? Because I don't want to stress myself so much. I have to make sure I do everything at once. Check this out. You can add flux after when you're done. Check this out. So let me remove and check if it is good or not. Let me turn for you guys to see. Check this out. Check this out. Let me clean it. Let me clean it. When I'm done cleaning, that is when you will see everything. Check this out. I'm taking my time to do this. Okay. Check this out. So let me carry the IC up and show you. Check this out. Let me zoom my camera for you guys to really see. Check this out. 100% clean. 100% clean, my dear technician. No issue. All the ball stands. Give the phone to my technician to take it to the owner. No time to waste. My dear technician, the next thing is setting the IC. I know for sure a lot of technicians also find difficult setting this. Check this out, but I will set it. Anyway, it used to take me a lot of time to set this, but not all that. Just set it and you're good to go. You can see I set it and I start blowing. Check this out, I will be done. My dear technician, have in mind that the temperature I use to put this IC is not high temperature. If you use high temperature, you're going to burn the IC, so make sure you're not using high temperature. After that, apply flux and then run it. Let's do the shaking. Let me shake the IC a little bit. Oh my goodness, it's shaking, it's shaking. Oh my goodness. I love this. It's working 100%. My dear technician, I love this work. I like saying this thing. I love this work. This is what I want to do. This is everything that I want. I want IC reballing. I want to repair. This is what I have in mind of doing my entire life. I know some people, I know they don't really want to do this in their entire life, but my dear technician, I want to spend the rest of my life in doing phone. I want to work phone. This is what I want to do. It's something that makes me happy. I love electronics. Okay? I'm ready to put in all my focus and everything. What I need now is tools. If there's anybody that want to help me to get microscope, big things, or the lamination machines, guys, every machine that is used for phone, my dear technician, please, please and please, I really want it. Okay? Please and please and please, I really want it. Please. My dear technician, let's continue. Check this out. I turn on the phone, you can see the phone turns on. The reason why the phone shut down is because of the cable I used to connect. So let me put the battery and then turn on the phone. Check this out. It's working 100%. You can see. Check this out. It's working. It's working 100%, my dear technician. If you have any question concerning this, you are free. Let me know. Ask me question if you have any question concerning this. My dear technician, I'm done. Everything now is working. So let me couple the phone and give my technician to take it to the owner.